Do you want to become a better content marketer? Do you want to use content marketing to grow your business and make more money? Perfect. This is the course for you. My name is Phil Ebener, and I've grown my own 7-figure business using all kinds of content marketing. Articles, videos, audio, visual, social, you name it. I created this course as a complete guide to help you get started with your own content marketing. Everything I teach is based off my own experience, including my successes and failures. With this course, you'll come away with a solid understanding of what content marketing is, how to improve your own content, how to use that content within a marketing funnel that converts anybody into a customer, and so much more. You'll learn the entire process from coming up with great ideas, creating the actual content, publishing it on the right platforms, knowing how to promote it to get the most views and interactions, and using analytics to measure your results and make improvements. As a bonus, I've included several downloadable checklists and guides that will quickly help you start or improve your own content marketing. If you're starting an honest business where you treat your customers with respect and want to grow an audience that likes, knows, and trusts you, I'll show you exactly how to do that with content marketing in this course. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now to learn how to market your business with amazing content. We'll see you inside.